Hello everyone, I'm Pushpa. In this video, we will be going to see what are the different types of lines and how we can change the color of them, and we can also change the weight of the lines. So let us draw some of the lines. Click L enter so that we get the line command. So let us select some of the lines. Okay. Okay. We have drawn some of the lines. So to make changes to these lines, by default we will be getting the white color of this. So if we want our presentation to be look in a different way, in a catchy way, so we have to go for the properties tab, go to the properties tab, and we will be in this we will be having more options like line type, line weight, object color. Okay, so if I am selecting this one, so let us select this one. See, here we can get the colors. If we want more different colors, so click here more colors. So we will be on clicking more colors, we have got a dialog box. In this we will be having 3 more options like index color, true color, or color books. Okay, so let us here. Okay, from this we can select. So let us select this color. Click OK. So here you can see the line color has been changed. So let us click here. Go to the line type. So click color. So I'm having only 3 options. So I want more options for this. So click here load. Here we will be getting more options. So let us select this one phantom. So we have loaded this one. Let us load another one. Battery. Okay. Click OK. So now select this line. So we can select any one. So let us select it. So you can see here the line pattern, the type of the line has been changed. So let us give a color to it. Let us take this one. So here we can see the color has been changed. Now let us make this line as dotted. Here we can see the line has been changed. Let us change its color. Okay, let's make it red. So here we can see red color. Like this we can change the color and type of the lines. Okay. It is very simple to use these tools, line types and object color. And if you want line weight, okay, see here we can select this one. As I haven't changed the units of this drawing area, nothing change has been occurred or seen by us. So these are the line types and colors. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the explanation. Thank you.